Money habits that keep you poor. Everyone has the potential to become wealthy, but some people have bad habits that are impeding their ability to do so. These spending patterns are trapping you in poverty. 1. Impulse purchases. In actuality, impulsive purchases might result in a variety of problems. First off, a lot of people may excuse these impulsive purchases by claiming that they earned the new device or that the item is a need rather than a desire. Second, charging these impulsive purchases to a credit card runs the risk of the buyer paying for the item even when they don't have the money to do so. Finally, it becomes much harder to stick to your spending plan as a result of these arbitrary purchases. 2. Earning points or rewards with credit cards. In fact, some of them have a place in your wallet when used wisely. Credit card corporations do, however, provide those benefits for a reason, and that motive most surely isn't altruism. Simply put, rewards motivate you to spend more. Even while you might get some cash back on your transaction, many cards have stringent rules. 3. Keeping up with your neighbors. However, when your neighbors appear to have it all, your desire to have the best house in the best neighborhood may precede your ability to manage your finances. While some people just don't care about trying to live up to others' standards, it can be a serious problem for some families. When a buddy buys a new car or house, goes on a costly vacation, or even just wears extravagant jewelry, it can create a rivalry that results in bad financial decisions. Remind yourself of your priorities and objectives when you see a neighbor arrive in a brand new, shining vehicle. 4. Using retail therapy as a base. Similar to other activities like exercise, sex, and even eating chocolate, shopping can actually release endorphins in the brain. It just cannot be done to make you feel better at the conclusion of a difficult day. You may achieve the same results without going over your budget if you find other reasonably priced techniques to lower your stress and boost your happiness. 5. Lifestyle creep. Your ability to make money can be impacted by a promotion, a better job, and even unavoidable economic inflation. However, how people manage the gap between their income and expenses is what separates those who are successful in increasing their wealth from others who struggle continuously. It's tempting, as you can see, to utilize these improvements in income to buy a new home, go on a vacation, or even boost your daily spending, but doing so could leave you in the same situation as before. Keep your priceless financial freedom by just spending what you can afford. 6. Obtaining loans with no interest. The terrible thing is that a lot of people choose not to repay their loans before the interest-free time expires, at which point they are frequently hit with fines and even retroactive interest from that supposedly interest-free period. Always read the small print, and keep in mind that interest-free loans aren't really that way until you're positive you can pay it back before the grace period expires. 7. Dependence on a single source of income. Unfortunately, despite what many might think, jobs are not always secure. In reality, more than 21 million U.S. workers were laid off in 2018, which meant that if your job was your only source of income, your income abruptly stopped. You should continue to create and pick up new skills so you can make your money work for you. This is a sensible and secure way to get some sleep at night. It's time to press stop and assess your behavior if you frequently jeopardize your financial security. The realization that your actions are jeopardizing your prospects of achieving freedom may be the motivation you require to make the necessary changes. As usual, please like and subscribe for more great content.